Do you know how average net worth by age is calculated and how to increase your net worth? In this video, we're going to talk about average net worth by age and how you can increase your net worth. Net worth is a measure of your financial health that takes into account all your assets, such as your home, car, and investments, minus your liabilities, such as your mortgage, car loan, and credit card debt. It's a useful way to assess your overall financial situation and compare yourself to others in your age group. Watch until the end of the video and find out how you can increase your net worth in the best way. If you want to improve your future investments and my video is helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. So, how do you calculate net worth? Let's start with assets. To calculate the total value of your assets, you simply add up the value of each individual asset. For example, if you own a home worth $300,000, a car worth $20,000, and have $50,000 in savings, your total assets would be $370,000. Next, let's talk about liabilities. To calculate the total value of your liabilities, you simply add up the amount you owe for each individual liability. For example, if you owe $200,000 on your mortgage, $10,000 on your car loan, and $5,000 in credit card debt, your total liabilities would be $215,000. To calculate your net worth, you simply subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. Using the examples, your net worth would be $155,000. Now that you understand how net worth is calculated, let's take a look at average net worth by age. We'll start with the youngest age group. Age group 18 to 24 average net worth is $8,900. That's right, the average net worth of people aged 18 to 24 is negative. This is mainly due to student loans and other debts that young people often accumulate before they start earning a substantial income. However, there are still plenty of ways to make money at this age. For example, work part-time or freelance while studying. Invest in your education or skills development. Age group 25 to 34 average net worth is $76,200. The average net worth of people aged 25 to 34 is still relatively low, but it's a big improvement over the previous age group. This is because many people in this age group have started their careers, bought their first homes, and started saving for retirement. Some ways to make money at this age: building a career or advancing in your current job, investing in real estate or other assets, starting a side hustle or small business. Age group 35 to 44 average net worth is $288,700. The average net worth of people aged 35 to 44 is almost 4 times higher than the previous age group. This is because people in this age group have had more time to accumulate assets and pay off debts. Some ways to make money at this age: investing in stocks, mutual funds, or other assets, starting a business or investing in a franchise, contributing to retirement accounts and other investments. Age group 45 to 54 average net worth is $727,700. The average net worth of people aged 45 to 54 is almost 3 times higher than the previous age group. This is because people in this age group are often in their peak earning years and have had more time to accumulate assets. Some ways to make money at this age: investing in real estate or rental properties, taking advantage of higher-paying job opportunities, paying off any remaining debts, such as a mortgage or student loans. Age group 55 to 64 average net worth is $1,167,400. The average net worth of people aged 55 to 64 is almost twice as high as the previous age group. This is because many people in this age group are approaching retirement and have had more time to accumulate assets. Some ways to make money at this age: downsizing your home or selling other assets to free up cash, continuing to invest in stocks, mutual funds, or other assets, taking advantage of catch-up contributions to retirement accounts. Age group 65 plus average net worth is $1,225,600. The average net worth of people aged 65 and older is the highest of any age group. This is because many people in this age group have retired and have access to pensions, Social Security, and other sources of income. Ways to make money at this age. Continuing to invest in stocks, mutual funds, or other assets. Taking advantage of Social Security and other retirement benefits. Traveling and enjoying your retirement years. So there you have it, average net worth by age. Remember, these are just averages, and everyone's financial situation is unique. No matter what your age, there are always ways to improve your financial health and increase your net worth. Let's find out what is the way. Live below your means. The first step to increasing your net worth is to create a budget and track your expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and save more money. Some tips for living below your means. Avoiding unnecessary purchases. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it or if it's just a want. Negotiating bills. Call your service providers and see if you can negotiate a lower rate on your bills. This could include your cable or internet provider, insurance company, or credit card company. Invest wisely. Investing your money can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Some tips for investing wisely. Diversifying your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one stock or investment. Instead, consider spreading your money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Avoiding high fees. Fees can eat away at your returns over time, so it's important to choose investments with low fees. Pay off debt. High interest debt can eat away at your net worth over time, so it's important to make paying off debt a priority. Some tips for paying off debt. Prioritizing high interest debt. Start by paying off your debts with the highest interest rates, as these will cost you the most in the long run. Avoiding new debt. While you're paying off debt, try to avoid taking on any new debt, such as new credit cards or loans. Increase your income. Earning more money can also help you increase your net worth. Some tips for increasing your income. Taking on a side hustle. Consider taking on a side job or starting a side business to earn extra income. Investing in yourself. Consider investing in your education or skills to increase your earning potential. Save for retirement. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401(k), IRAs, and Roth IRAs can help you build wealth and reduce your taxes. Some tips for saving for retirement. Contributing as much as you can afford. If your employer offers a matching contribution to your 401(k), make sure you contribute enough to take full advantage of the match. Starting early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, increasing your net worth takes time and effort. But by following these tips and staying committed to your financial goals, you can improve your financial health and build the wealth you need to achieve your dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on investing and personal finance.